Hey, let's talk about organic cotton bottoms for our guys. So, Prana is super well known for the fit that we give you in all of our bottoms, and no exception here on organic cotton bottoms. Speaking of, make sure you watch Prana's video on organic cotton and why that's so necessary that we moved from using conventional cotton to organic cotton. 2018 marks the first year that we will use 100% organic cotton throughout our line. So anytime you see cotton in Prana, it will now be organic. So we're really proud of that, and you'll see a lot of horns tooting about that in 2018. But talking about the men's bottoms and the fits there, so we'll give you several different denim options for him. So in our traditional Kara denim, which I call it's on our women's side, but I kind of call it the four season denim. So it's going to be super lightweight. I literally wear it in the summertime in Texas, and it's awesome. But it's going to have about 23% polyester kind of blended in. So it gives you a moisture wicking capability, also provides a true four-way stretch, which also gives you great shape retention. So you won't have the bagging out, the stretching out. It kind of, the way that it fits you, the first time you put it on is the way it's going to fit you the 100th time you put it on. And then it also has a 2% spandex content. So again, a great pant. On the men's side, we actually give you two very different fits in this fabric. So you're going to have the Bridger jean and the Wheeler jean, which are going to be in that lightweight four-season fabric, also known as the Kara denim from the ladies. And then in our more traditional denim, which is going to say, I would say it's a thicker feel. I hate using thicker, but it's like your more substantial kind of denim feel, in the sense that it's the same denim. If you went and bought designer jeans, it's going to feel like that same weight of denim. Still gives you a four-way stretch because we keep some lycra spandex in there. And then we mix it with a Sorona polyester, which Sorona is derived from about 37% plant-based um, materials. Sorry. And so it's a super eco-conscious, eco-friendly polyester blend that we use. It actually holds its color better. It's super durable. It, of course, has the eco story behind it as well. So something that we're really proud of to use in our premium denim line. So on the men's side, you're going to have that in your Axiom jeans as well as the new Manchester jean for him. So what does this all mean? So the Manchester and your Bridger jean are going to be the same fit. So those will be your tailored fit or what we deem slim fit. Again, not a skinny fit for him. So not super hipster. It's just going to be about 1.5 inch narrower in the thigh and about 2 inches narrower in the knee when you compare the Bridger and the Manchester to your Wheeler and your Axiom. So just to talk about that, you will have your Wheeler and your Bridger here. So they look very much the exact same. If you compare the leg openings on them, you will notice a slight difference through the thigh and going down to the knee. But again, not a super skinny fit. So you can still wear the same waist size that you need in your Bridger and your Manchester. It's just going to be a little bit more tailored than your Axiom and your Wheeler jean will be. So just something to think about there. One thing to note on the Wheeler, we only offer it in a 32-inch inseam, but your Manchester, Axiom, and Bridger, you're going to get a 30, 32, and 34. And the Bridger, we also go up to a 36-inch inseam. So all of our men's denim are going to be $89 retail, and the Manchester is going to be $99 retail. And then just to show you your Manchester and your Axiom here. So your Manchester denim and your Axiom, again, because they don't have as much poly blended in, they are a little bit more rich in color and allow us to do your more traditional denim washes here. So, so also a difference from your Bridger and your Wheeler. So, and then to kind of talk a little bit more about your organic cotton bottom options for him. So if he doesn't want a synthetic bottom like our Stretch Zion fabric, so some guys will prefer to go into your Bronson series. So Bronson's something we do year round. To be honest, in our region here in the South Central, We typically sell Bronson more as a wintertime pant, so it's not necessarily heavy, too heavy to wear year round, but it just gets real hot here in the summer. So we tend to sell it better in the fall time. So it might be something that your store only carries in the fall and winter months. We do a lined version as well that has a flannel lining inside. That's definitely a great cozy piece for the holidays and really nice. But your Bronson will actually feature a gusset through the legs, so give you great movement and stretch there. And then your Tucson pant, it's going to be the same exact fabric, but it is our slimmest fit in the Prana line. So this will actually be slimmer than your Brian pant on the Stretch Zion story. But it's going to be, definitely cut narrower through the thighs and the leg. So I would call it, it's not a skinny fit, not a hipster fit, but definitely something that's a little bit more, in line with fashion trends. So if you have smaller guys or guys that are a little bit more into fashion, they're going to probably appreciate the Tucson. Bronson, again, is our standard fit. So just a great all-purpose pant for him. But again, if you ever have any questions about any of these bottoms, how they're different, why you need them, who would buy them, any of those kind of questions, we'd love to hear them. Put them in the comments or shoot Katie or I a text anytime, katie@bettysport.com, stephanie@bettysport.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. And hopefully this helps you explain all of the Prana men's bottoms a little bit better to your customers. Good luck out there.